One is came. Someone is. So mobile reconnectivity is taking time. People who are right now. Can we start, guys? Next.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Just I want to give a simple introduction to the service desk. So then you will understand so what is this different service desk parts. Okay. A small introduction today. Then we'll see the remaining. So what is this service desk? So before that one, we have to discuss these things. Okay. So we have our doubts in this profile also, some people. Okay. So that one also will be clarified now. Yes, we have a different IT organizations out there. Different IT organizations out there. IT companies, organizations means different IT companies out there. And these IT companies providing different IT services. Okay? Different IT services to different other companies. Okay, to other companies. Those can be IT organizations or non-IT organizations. Okay. Example, take Zomato. Zomato is a non-IT organization. They are just delivering food items, right? Non-IT organization. But they need an IT services, means the software is required, internet is required, mobile applications are required, tracking softwares are required. Like I order from my site. So there's something intermediate, it's a software which understand what is my requirement and my order. So they will take the order and send to that delivery guy as well as the hotel, right? So they have to, they will get an update. Okay, so from my order, so they'll prepare my order, and delivery guy will come and pick up my package and deliver it to my address. So he should get which hotel and where to deliver from and to and from to addresses, right? This backend is and everything is IT related, the softwares, and these softwares runs on the different servers. It means hardware. Okay, so IT is not only a software development, it is also infrastructure management. Okay, so using this software, infrastructure, networking, so it is able to provide different types of services. Okay, it is going to the different IT services. First, understand this different IT services. We all know one of the IT services, software development. Okay, it's not only just a development. People will develop the software and test the software, and they'll put a software into the package, okay, and deploy into different servers. They deploy into deployment, okay, and managing. So this is a different cycles of software development. Again, where they going to deploy? Again, into the different servers. Okay, we're accessing Amazon, Flipkart, Zomato, Swiggy, Blinkit, Zepto. Daily we are using Uber, Ola. These are all using different softwares, apps we are using, right? What is where it is exact that connected services runs from a server? It is again infrastructure. Okay, so IT services means also it is managing IT related infrastructure services. Infrastructure related services. It means servers. Okay, servers, network. Okay, for servers we have to connect it. So that is, we need a network related services, infrastructure, storage. Lot of data is there. Somewhere you have to store it, right? Storages, backups, managing of backup, because if you lost something, then you have to recover it from the backups. Okay. Public connectivities means like internet related services, internet connecting services. Okay. Running different applications, services related. Okay. Infrastructure management, software management, infrastructure management. Now these infrastructures, now people are running on the cloud. So cloud is also part of IT services. Different types of industry related solutions. As I said, software development, not only just an application kind of stuff, it is also comes with this ERP like kind of stuff. Now, it is IT or non-IT require different ERP related solutions like HR means SAP, HR, you may hear it, SAP, okay, HR type of solutions, financial related solutions, material management related. So I have a industries there, some oil and gas companies there, or maybe something like, steel plant, okay, or pharmaceuticals. So they got lot of materials, right? They purchase different materials for a manufacturing process. They use some material required to be ordered again. So how they will manage? So they need a software to manage these materials. They will enter all material, their quantities, their how much they are utilizing right now, how much is required. So they need that balance. So then how much cost they are spending on it. So like that is called a material management kind of ERP solutions. Okay. Sales and distribution, how much sales is happen. Okay. How much requirement for a sales, what is the demand right now, like that. So different type of ERP solutions. And nowadays, every organization, they have a customers, right? Different customers and different customer requirements are there. And customer status is also there. We should know how to interact with the customer. For example, you call to your bank or maybe your Airtel or Jio or maybe your some service you have taken a service, either it is related to credit card or bank or maybe it is your mobile operator. Okay, so when you call it, so obviously they know your information. They whenever they enter your phone number, automatically entire your details will be appears on their screen. Okay, on the screen it is API. So they know what is your how much you are paid, how much is balance, loan balance, okay, how much you have to work. So like this, so you can understand what is the customer status, and we can give best solutions on it. Okay, CRM, customer relationship management. Okay, so support, of course, for every all these things. You're a software developer and develop the software and give it to the client. Maybe the client have some queries, some needed changes, or maybe he got some issues with it. So we have to support it. Okay, support it. Or maybe you are providing some infrastructure. You are running the servers, different services, web related applications, storage related applications, or maybe database related applications you are running. You are providing that services to your customers. So they need some information or a query or something like that. It is they got some issues. You need to provide a support. You have to provide a support. So this is a solution. If this is the issue you got it, this is the solution. Okay, this is a query you got it, you will. Okay, again, infrastructure, cloud related. For example, you are a AWS engineer or a Azure cloud platform you are using. Your company is providing cloud-based solutions to other organizations, cloud-based solutions to other organizations. Okay, your Savantis also providing this SAP-based solutions, SAP-based ERP-related solutions to other organizations. And this SAP server runs in the AWS cloud. It means the service desk analyst should have two technologies. One is cloud technology, another one is AWS SAP related technology. Means AWS is required as well as SAP is also required. Two things you required to know. Okay, so it's like that what we are doing is we are providing that solution to another organization that related services. Okay, so if they're required, some new user is came, I have to create a user in that system, AWS system. So they need some access services. So I have to provide that access related services. They got some issues. I have to find where is the issue and resolve the issue immediately. Okay, so I need to provide a support from the company. Just setup, once it is completed, it is completed. Okay, once you are providing a service to the customers, then it is always we need to provide a compulsory support. Okay, so like for example, you are a SAP engineer. For example, a company need SAP HR related solutions, human resources. Okay, people are joining, leaving. Okay, salaries, joining formalities, leaving formalities, and everything required data, right? So I created one solution for them. Okay, SAP HR related a dashboard I created on a SAP HR. So what happened? So that company uses that whatever solution I provided, what are the dashboard I created for them. So they will open that application, they will run that application. Okay, so their issue is resolved. Now they want some extra requirement, or maybe they want some changes, some access permissions, or maybe some something like issue they got it. So we have to provide a solution. Who is going to give a solution? Who is going to support? Again, person who is working in this modules only, he knows it. For example, I am providing a network related solutions to another organization. So who is the person who is going to resolve their network related issues? So network engineers will do that one. Okay. So different services provided from different organization to different organizations. Depends upon their requirements. Okay. So who is working on this one is all are technical people, different technical software developer, network engineers, server engineers, storage engineers, backup engineers, security engineers, cloud engineers, cloud experts, cloud software related people, DevOps related people, ERP related people, CRM related people, different people are working in an organization and different clients. So different clients there are providing different type of solutions or maybe support to the people. Okay, so these are things, IT services. Okay, so these are all different teams: software developer team, network team, server team, storage team. Okay, ERP related team. So in that one specific ERP module related teams. Okay, CRM related team means developer teams. Okay, cloud related teams are there. Cloud technological based teams are there. Okay, infrastructure management team is there. Infrastructure provisioning team, virtualization, VMware administrators are there. Hyper-V administrators are there. So these are all different teams of people having their technical knowledge in it. So they are working on these technologies. Okay. Then who is this service desk analyst person? He can be a part of any team. Okay. I'm a SAP guy. As I said, our Savantis providing SAP related solutions, SAP basis services, database services. We are providing, okay, which is running on the AWS cloud, not an on-premises server. So the guy should have a technical knowledge on AWS as well as SAP. But who is that person is also a service desk person. Title may be changes. I'm a server engineer, part of service desk. I'm a network engineer, part of service desk. Okay. So all teams all means there is required to provide a solutions or maybe required to support the customer requirement. So maybe there are required to resolve the customer related issues. Okay. So these are all different teams works in the different technologies. Depends upon the organizations and okay. So different IT organizations provide different IT services to different IT or non-IT organizations. Okay, different types of IT services. Guys, understand. This is important to understand first. Hmm? Any questions or doubts?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, so it is IT businesses or IT organizations provide IT services to IT or non-IT organizations. Different types of services, maybe application, software, operating system, hardware, or different web applications, ERP, CRMs, infrastructure related services, managing of data centers, server storage, network security related, cloud related services, okay, different IT supporting related services we are from. If you go to the Savantis website or HCL website, this one, okay, so you can go through it, the original site, you can find it. See, SAP consulting services, SAP S/4HANA, customer experiences, analytics related services, cloud managed services, okay, staffing solutions. So you are the part of staffing solutions right now. Okay, so company required HR related things like they need a staff to work on their company. So not only you, okay, so we also recruit different people to the different companies. So we'll find their profiles and we'll share the profiles to that companies. So they will work on our payroll and they're working in different organization, but salary is paid by 70 only. Different profiles, different kind of requirements will fill to the other companies also. Okay, that is also to it. Okay, so check it once what it is. Next is go to HCL also. HCL, Cognizant, any company, go to their company site, HCL Tech, HCL Tech. So you can see what are their capabilities, industries. So what are their services? They said capabilities right now, but actually the original name is services. So what are the different types of services? Cloud-based, engineering, softwares, AI and generative AI, and what type of industries there are providing services. Okay, what type of services? So like that, go through different companies, what services they are providing, and to whom they are providing. Then you will understand. So different, not only IT means software only. From that one to you'll understand different technologies. For example, you take HCL. HCL is one of the biggest leading network related solutions provider. Okay. For example, for banking sector, the network, the backend network is actually provided by your HCL also. And also HCL is a very big MNC. Why should you choose to work in HCL? Because it's MNC, multinational company. HCL company is not only in India, it's there in the world, so many places. Check it, where are the which HCL companies are there, what is its headquarters, like that. Find out what is the HCL headquarters are there, corporate office is there. Okay, what are the different services and what are the major services? Find out. Okay, huge number of people are working in HCL. Okay, good ecosystem you are providing in it. Okay. Okay. Latif Tech Solutions. I created that name, so don't worry. So here it is. I put a service provider and customer. Service provider provides services to the clients. Service provider provides services to the client. Okay. Service provider provide a service to the client. Client take the service. Okay. So while I'm providing a service to the client, so I have to specify what service I am providing and what are the conditions of these services. Is 100% availability of services, 99% availability of services. Condition. What is the limitation of my service? What services I am providing? What is the condition or limitations of my services? What is the support I am providing? What is the support? 24/7 support is available. Okay, always available services. Okay, always support is available. Like 24/7 means always available services. Service support related information we should include in an agreement called SLA, service level agreement. Okay, so customer is getting a service as per SLA. If customer required some query or information or an issue, okay, so for example, he's getting for example, we'll take one example. I will take my best example is always make metric. Okay, so this is, sorry, link is expired. No. Okay, this is a MakeMetrip website. So there is a company called MakeMetrip and is selling these flight tickets through its platform. Okay, so MakeMetrip not maintaining any flights or hotels. Okay, so there are partner with others. So these are all partner companies. Okay, so this what it is a site, what is this MakeMetrip company is doing? It's provide a platform to the people so they can able to book their flights, hotels, buses, cabs through this platform. Through this platform. Okay, that's the first point, right? But MakeMetrip is not maintaining this site running servers. This website maybe runs on the different organizations. Different organization, their servers, it will run it. For example, you want to build your own website. What you will do, you go to the GoDaddy, right? V6. Okay. So different sites are there. I want to build my website. Okay. Like this. GoDaddy, V6. Okay. So different hosting of your website means your website runs in this GoDaddy servers. Okay, GoDaddy server. You are using Gmail. So Gmail is there, your mail services you are getting from Gmail server maintained by Google. Okay, so there are infrastructure means MakeMyTrip is providing this interface to you, but in a backend, this interface runs these things are running in the server. Okay, so it is two-way point. So again, where are we? Here in this one area. Okay, so for example, MakeMyTrip people find there is an issue with this point. Okay, something like I click on a student, it is showing an error. Okay, so MakeMyTrip people like the clients will find it. Think like this, don't worry about 2-3 extra connectivity. Simple, they find this an issue. MakeMyTrip people find this issue. There is an application related problem. So they have to ask for the solution. To whom they should ask? To whom they should ask? Or we can simple. I will go very simple. We are getting a internet connection. Airtel, Jio, internet you are using. Okay. If you got an issue, you have to talk to the technical person, right? So directly technical person. For example, you don't know who is the actually technical person. You cannot communicate with them, right? So you need a platform. Through that platform, you can able to tell what is your requirement, what is your issue. Then the people who are related to the technical part of yours, what is based on your requirements, the technical person is going to take care of that issue. We are not directly sending your information. You are need a platform to go through that one. Okay. For example, as I said, Savantis is providing SAP-based solutions to other organizations. Okay, cloud-based solutions to other organizations. But the guy got some issues. The client got some issues or some requirements, some changes, some access permissions. To whom they should ask? They don't know me. I'm a cloud engineer, but they don't know me directly. They can't come to me directly. They should come through this a platform called a service desk platform. The service desk is SPOC, single point of contact between the client and the technical teams, different technical teams. Okay. So actually, my team is actually provided that cloud related solutions to my client. So they need some requirements. Then we can understand what is their requirements and we will fulfill that requirements. What are their information is required. I will provide information. They need some access permissions. So if possible, means if the user is really yellow, then I will provide that access related information or I will give access permissions. He got some issues. So I will try to resolve these related issues because my team actually providing that services. My team is actually this. Okay. So I'm also one responsible to provide that support. So there is three things. One is client, customer or a user, service desk, and it is employee team is there. Different IT technical teams are there. The service desk means it's an intermediate between these two people. It's like a platform. Okay. So different people works in the service desk. Desktop support people, network engineer, server engineer, cloud engineers, virtualization related engineers, okay, virtualization related, voice or IP related people, okay. So different technological knowledge people works in this service desk. All these are all called as a service desk analyst only. Okay, the core title is service desk analyst. But technicality wise, the title may differ based on the companies, but common name is service desk analyst. It's all technical profile only, guys. It's only the main part is technical part. Okay. So what is a service desk? So I'm not talking about service. It's about that profile. What is that one? Yeah, I will share it. I will share it. Don't worry. Okay. Yeah, I will share it. So this is direct Google Doc, guys. So this Google Doc, whatever I kept in this is our daily running notes. So for everything, for every day, for that day's date, I will mention. So you can read that one. So then you can follow this today's or not. Okay. And I will share the link to you. So for your batch. So then anytime. Okay. Anytime you can read things from that document. Okay. So it's not required as a separate document and all to share every day. So because you will forget after few classes which document I shared it also. But everything max to max, max to max, but whatever I am teaching, I will keep it in this one only. Okay, anything outside, then I will separately, I will share it. Okay. Once again. So we'll see the one point and then we'll see our career options also. So who is this customer? Customer means a person who buys a goods or services from a shop or a business. Means customer is just an English word. Okay. So we are using the customer word for different things. Okay. So there is internal customers and external customers and retail or public customers also there. These internal customers, for example, I'm working in my same organization. This is our Savantis, think like that. And here is a service desk. And I came to office and I need some access permissions. Both are working in same organization. I need some access permissions. Okay. I'm a user and I need some access permissions. Or printer access is required. VPN access is required. So I got some network related issue, hardware related issue, or I need a virtual machine. I need a virtual machine in the cloud, or maybe I need a virtual machine in the some virtualization platform. Maybe Outlook should be configured. Maybe mail server is required to set up. Maybe backup is required. Okay. So any requirements, issues are there, requirements are there, queries are there. So how to contact? How to contact the issue related people. But I don't know who is that person. Then I will send that request to the service desk. This service desk, either group of people are sitting, group of people, or maybe it can be a software. Okay. So what happens this service desk? Will understand what is your requirement. They'll put it in a document called a ticket. They'll forward this based on your requirement to a specific team. For example, you required a network related support, network related queries. Then it's sent to the networking people, service desk, networking people. It's server related, then it will send to the server. It is, you need a virtual machine, it will send to the VMware admins. It's a cloud related solution. You need a cloud related something you required. So it will send to the cloud people. Okay. So they will try to fulfill your requirement. Okay. Either they will try to resolve your issue or maybe they will give you information or access permissions. So these are all the teams, different teams of people working on a different technicality things. For example, once you are going to HCL and they'll put you into the server related, Windows server related. So you have to do all the server related activities like either monitoring of server or maybe adding a user in the server or deploying services through the server. Okay. So depends what you are working. Maybe a desktop support team or maybe a network support team, software support team. Like these are different teams are there. Okay, so we'll come back. Okay, is the guy is internal customers. Internal customer. Another type of customer is external. It means already I told our IT organization providing services to other organizations. It can be IT or non-IT organizations. So they are getting our solutions, our services. Even they got some issue or some query or information is required. So what they will do, they will contact through the service desk now. And once they got a contact service desk, either it can be a software or maybe a group of people. Then that information as a ticket will forward to that specific team based on the type of requirement. Okay. It can be network related, server related, or anything. So these are, we call it as a external customers. Okay. Most of your requirement, mostly, as I know from last few experiences with HCL guys, okay. Mostly you should work for a external customers, means other organizations. So your company providing network solutions to them, or maybe service server related, infrastructure related, database related, storage related. Okay, a different type of solutions are provided, services are provided to other companies. So when they got information, they wanted some information, query, change, or reporting an issue. So they have to report to you, but they don't know you, right? So they have to report through a platform called a service desk. From the service desk, you will get that requirement. So then you have to do as per the requirement. Okay. So technology, currently I can't say what technology will work, but it can be anything. It depends. Once you are get inside, it depends upon their what is the project is available, what kind of client specific teams are there, or technical specific teams also there. Okay. For dedicated team for one specific client or a dedicated technology for their specific time is there. So what they will put it, I don't know, but we can do it. Guys, understand this internal and external customers? Okay. And the last point, guys, what are our career options? Okay. So after this introduction, maybe still people are having shy feelings still. Okay. But more interactive, guys, please interact to next class. When we interact, maybe technical is next again tomorrow morning only, not today's. Okay. So tomorrow morning, technical is there. Afternoon, Raman sir will inform you about your afternoon classes there or not. Okay. Tomorrow again, we'll meet you. But before that one, so what is your career part? Okay. People are having a lot of questions because I have seen from few batches, from last few batches, having doubts in the service test. Okay. Guys, you are a fresher. You do not have any technical specifications here. So you're a common technical person. So it may be, I don't know which team they were going to involve you. Maybe it is server related, networking related, or basic one is desktop support related. Okay. Or maybe a cloud related or a deployment. Mainly most of the teams are put it into the deployment side only. Okay. Or monitoring related teams are there. Monitoring related teams also. So thing is, once you join an organization, what is your career options? Well, you join as a service desk analyst into the organization. Okay. And your work as 1 year minimum, you should work in that organization. So my point is not 1 year. So go with the 1.5 year to 2.5 years minimum. Okay. Now it is 2020, 25. So 2026, 27, 28, like that. See, once your experience increases, your salary also increases. So don't worry, whenever your experience is increases, salary also gradually it is increases. Your performance means what are the tasks they are given to you, you have to complete the task by the time. By given time, the task has to be completed. It can be a configuration or it can be a support related. Some people do configurations, backend configurations or monitoring kind of stuff. So what are the tasks is given? So compulsory, try to complete by the time. Okay. And keep working for a longer time will always is benefited. Next, keep upgradations. Which technology you feel more interesting for you? Okay, all technologies are having a equal opportunities. Okay. It's not about how much salary for this one, how many opportunities are there. It's about what passion you are. Like you like Windows servers. Learn Windows Server, become a server engineer. Learn Linux and become a Linux server engineer. Learn networking, CCNA, become a network engineer. Learn about a cloud computing, you will become a cloud engineer. your experience increases, you will become cloud solution architects also. Okay, learn about it DevOps, then it will provide a DevOps related things. Okay, it means managing mainly deployment related stuff like Ansible servers, Operator, Chefs, CI by CD, Jenkins servers. So this part is a very important right now because lot of server service softwares are daily some part of development is there. Automation is very important nowadays because faster deployments with the automation. So DevOps automation part means Jenkins, CI by CD kind of stuff. Okay. So you're learning a specific technologies based on your interest and keep on adding your technologies. Keep working. That is, it is give your experience in IT. This will give experience in IT. This part. Keep learn. Keep working. That is total experience of IT. Keep working means whatever the work it is, you got it. Well, keep working on it. So learn it. Okay, that will keep your job for longer time. Keep upgrade. Keep upgrade to different technologies. Then you'll become a domain specific. Domain technical experience is important. IT experience, domain experience, both are measurable. They will going to see in the future after 2 years, 3 years. You want to go to another company, they'll check what is your total IT experience. What is the domain experience? Means which domain you are working. Networking related, server related, or maybe WAN technologies related, LAN technologies related, wireless LAN technologies related, okay, storage technologies related, backup technologies related, or this automation related technologies like Control M, AutoSys, RPA, robotic process automation, okay, automation, Blue Prism kind of stuff. So automation technologies, different technologies, learn, job, lecture, okay, I can 1 minute. Sorry, okay, keep learning, add it to your things. So then you will reach into the certain point, okay. This is your career path. Not like that one day I want to become, first day only I want to become something. That we'll see, okay. Okay, we'll discuss things tomorrow. Okay. Any doubts, any questions?
No, sir.
Okay, that's it for today. అందరూ మోగ భాషలే మోగ మనసు మేఘ సందేశం. Okay, guys.